Hey guys, welcome back to another Keep Reet 4-wheel-drive giveaway. Last month we gave away the GU Patrol. This month, GQ. Right, starting up the front, we've got an ARB winch bar with a VRS winch, your basic light bar, and because every GQ comes with basically candles for headlights, we've got the LED headlight. Moving on, we've got a 2-inch lift, we've got some brand new 33-inch BFG mud terrains. Jumping up top, we got a 3/4 length roof rack with a 2 metre by 3 metre awning on the side. I think they're a 1.5 by 2 metre awning on the back. And then the rooftop tent, fantastic. Right, well, in here, pretty basic, normal GQ things. You got your boost and your exhaust temp, just normal diesel things. You got the XR6 seat for comfort on the long drives. And if you look back here, 3rd row seats, because how much fun is it piling all your mates on a Friday night after work and just sending it in the bush. Engine bay things. Look at that. Now we have a all famous silver top TD42 with an aftermarket turbo slapped on the side of it, a factory GU intercooler just to keep it that little bit nicer running. Basically she runs like a champ. It's got a patrol Docta through bonnet snorkel, get that nice fresh air and keep the water out when you're sending it through bog holes with all the boys. Well, that's it, simple GQ Patrol for you to take out with.
Don't forget, we've got a second runner-up prize, and that is the Crf450 motorbike.
Oh my God!
So as you've just seen, we've got the Honda Crf450, which is going to be the second draw prize for this giveaway behind the GQ. Since I know stuff all about these things, I'm going to pass you on to the Kang himself, Ryan Brown. Pro, one of the best in Oz freestyle motocross riders, and this is his old bike right here.
Righto guys, so yeah, this is me spare FMX bike. She's only done 10.9 hours, she's done minimal work. As you can see, she's looking pretty bog stock at the moment. She's got Renthal twin wheel handlebars, Zeta Bar Clamps, suspension, one of the best on point, set up for motocross, Renthal chain and sprocket, and yeah, she's a beautiful girl. Ready for a lucky winner.
There you have it from the man himself. You can win yourself not one, but 2 things, but double the chances. Make sure you get your entry in at keepreet.com.